Hello everyone, welcome to Next Cart tutorial. In this video we'll guide you through the steps to migrate your store data from PrestaShop to Shopify. The process is straightforward once broken down. On the screen you'll notice two main sections, the source cart and the target cart. The source cart represents your current platform, which in this case is PrestaShop. Target cart is where your data will be transferred to Shopify. First, you'll need to enter the URL of your PrestaShop store here in the Source Store URL field. Now, we'll want to head over to your PrestaShop site. As you can see, I'm already at my PrestaShop home here. Alright, you can see View My Store here. All you have to do is click and copy this URL from the address bar. Alright, now that we've got the link, let's head back to the Next Cart tab and paste it right here into the Source Store URL field. Next up, we'll need this Kit Connect file. This is a special connection tool that helps to synchronize your data between the two platforms securely. If you haven't connected the Kit Connect folder with PrestaShop, you'll see a 404 error when clicking to check the Kit Connect URL link. Okay, come back to the Next Cart tab. You click right here to download it automatically. Once it's done, you will see the zip folder located at the top right corner. You click Show in Folder. All you have to do is click on Extract All to unzip the folder. You can see here, there are two files inside like this. Now, we need to upload this Kit Connect folder to FileZilla or cPanel to transfer files from your computer to the server, ensuring updates are applied live. You can download a free FileZilla from Google. As you can see, I've already got it installed, and this is what the interface looks like. Now, all you have to do is drag your unzipped Kit Connect folder, which contains two files inside, to the right panel, just like I'm doing here. Once the transfer is complete, FileZilla will let you know. You'll either see a File Transfer Successful notification at the bottom of the screen. To check if Kit Connect has successfully connected to your web store, just click on the blue Kit Connect URL link. If it's successful, you'll see this message confirming that the connection has been successfully installed. Alright, the PrestaShop is all done. Now, you'll need to go into your Shopify store to get your shop's URL and the access token. As you can see, I'm already in the Shopify store in the Home section. I'll copy this URL and paste it back. I'm back once again. On the bottom left, I'll go into my settings and then click on Apps and Sales Channels. From here, choose Develop Apps. I'll click on Create an App at the top and give it a name. For this video, I'm just going to name mine PrestaShop to Shopify. Click Configure Admin API Scopes. Now, a list of admin API access scopes will appear. I'll need to check all the necessary permissions for the migration, which should be about 14 admin scopes. This will give the app access to your store's data. After checking all the necessary admin scopes, you might see a number 40 selected at the top. Then, scroll all the way down and hit Save. Once that's done, I'll go to the third tab, API Credentials. From here, I will see a section for access tokens. To get the token, I click on Install App. As you can see, Shopify has now generated your admin API access token. Just click on Reveal Token once to show the code. Then, I'll copy this token and head back to the Next Cart tab to paste it. Everything's all set now. You click on Next Step to move on to the configuration part of the migration. Now you're on the configuration screen. Under Entity Selection, you'll choose the types of data you want to migrate. You can check individual boxes like products or orders, but since I want to transfer everything, I'm just going to click Select All. Since this is just a demo, you can't select the reviews and coupons. Down to the Additional Options section, I'll pick 3 options as Clear data on your target store before the migration, Import descriptions images to your target store, and Migrate SEO URLs of categories, products, posts, and pages. For the Advanced Attributes Mapping section, I'll set the product price type as well as order tax status to tax included. The product price tax will be 0%. I'll set up auto tax on my Shopify store so I won't add tax directly into the product price. I set language as English, and default location should be Chicago warehouse. Now let's go through the mapping of order statuses to payment statuses. Awaiting check payment is set to pending. Payment accepted goes to paid. Processing in progress is paid. Shipped is paid. Delivered is paid. Payment error is void. On back order, paid is mapped to paid. Awaiting bank wire payment is pending. Remote payment accepted is paid. On back order, not paid is pending. And finally, awaiting cash on delivery validation is pending. In order fulfillment mapping status, I switch the shipped and delivered status to fulfillment. With that done, just click Next Step to move on to the final part of the migration. In this process, the migration will begin, and I'll speed up the video a little bit to show you how all the data is being transferred. And just like that, once the migration is complete, you'll see this notification. That covers all the steps for migrating your data from PrestaShop to Shopify by using NextCart. I want to check products first. Yes, all products are here. Nothing is missing or messed up. Yes, everything has been transferred over here. We've got 3 orders waiting for payment and 2 orders that are voided. The customers is normal. Everything is in place. Perfect. I hope this video has helped you easily migrate your data between these 2 platforms. If you're happy with the demo, you can go ahead and purchase the Pro version. You click Purchase Now, then choose Entity Limit you want. And below that, you can also choose our VIP support service, which includes 3 options as shown on the screen. With these options, our technicians will customize and carry out the migration based on your specific requirements. Click on Buy It Now. And if you're having any issues or have questions, just send a help desk ticket. Just enter your frequently used email in Requester, the subject, and the content of your question, then hit Submit. Our technicians will receive the information, assist, and sort out any issues you might have. Feel free to open a ticket anytime. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.